Did you go to her Google Classroom and press on the thing? Let me see. Hi, Isaac. Do you have a meet today? Problems on the board. Problems already on the board. You should be doing the math problem shown. Literally on the board. Thanks. All right, friends, let's do this together. This was a 1 digit divided by a 4 digit. Can 5 go into 4? No. So Mrs. Kneifel likes to throw a little X here, so I just remember where the next one goes. Can 5 go into 49? Yes. It can go in 9 times, which is 45. Now we subtract 49 minus 45, which is 4. Bring down my 2. How many times can 5 go into 42? 8 times, which is 40. 42 minus 40 is 2. Bring down my 5. How many times can 5 go into 25? 5 times, which is 25 minus 25, which equals 0. Your answer should be 808 or 985. I would like to see your boards. I would like to see your boards. This was the first problem. All right, I'm going to erase. We're going to move on to next problem. Remember, if you wanted to check, all you would have to do is multiply 5 times 985. $3,964 divided by 4. going to give you about 1 more minute to work on that problem. All right, let's do it together. I want to see your boards too. Remember, do not erase until I say so. I want to see how you guys did. Okay. Can 4 go into 3? No. So Mrs. Kneifel puts a little X there so I remember. How many times can 4 go into 39? Well, it can go in 9 times, which is 36. 39 minus 36 equals 3. Bring down the 6. Now, how many times can 4 go into 36? Guess what? It's 9 again. 36 minus 36 equals 0. Bring down my 4. How many times can 4 go into 4? 1 time. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Your answer should be 991. I would like to see your boards. Evan, you need to work on your multiplication skills because that's where you're going wrong at. You need to know your multiplication facts and able to do division. Okay, next problem. Evan, that doesn't look very helpful, bud. Let's do the math. All right, let's try this problem out together. Remember, I want to see your work. Can 6 go into 8? Yes, it can. It can go in 1 time. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down my 2. How many times can 6 go into 22? 3 times, which is 18. 22 minus 18 equals 4. Bring down my 4. How many times can 6 go in to 44? It can go in 7 times, which equals 42. 44 minus 42 equals remainder 2. 137, remainder 2. This should be your answer. If you did not get this as your answer, figure out why you did not get it as your answer. Where did you go wrong? If you did not get it, where did you go wrong? I want to see your boards. That way I can help you. I'm sorry I keep freezing. There's not really anything I can do about that, Jameson. We're just going to work on through it. I'm going to erase. Seven divided by 94. All right, how about Jameson, would you like to unmute yourself and tell us how you got the answer? Work us through it, and I'll do it on my screen too.
That whoever is done.
All I did was
And the dividend and the divisor.
I did 7 times 1, which equals 7. Then I did 7 minus 9, which equals
Did you
2.
hear me?
Then I brung down the
You know
4.
answer to number 6. Write in the dividend and the divisor.
Then what?
And then I subtracted 24 minus 21.
And then just
But
hey, Dylan, look at
7
yours and see if
times
that makes
3
sense.
equals 21.
Yep. So your answer was 13, remainder
You're telling me
3.
two divided
Thank you,
by.
Jameson. You can unmute yourself now. Can I see everyone's board? Thank you, Jameson. Your answer should have been 13, remainder 3. 7 goes into 9 one time. And there's 2 left. So Evan, once again, you got it wrong because you did not know your multiplication. So maybe you should get out your multiplication chart so you can stop getting things wrong. That would be helpful. Get out your assignment book. Get out your multiplication chart. That will help. If you're struggling with your multiplication facts, have your multiplication chart out with you. That way you can be getting correct answers, okay? If we don't know our multiplication facts, have your multiplication chart out. That will help you. Or we can practice our multiplication facts a lot. Evan, where's your multiplication chart? What? I want you to, because you're getting the problems wrong because you do not know your multiplication facts. I would like you to get a correct answer. So, get your multiplication chart out. That will help you. We should know that 7 times 3 is 21, not 2. That's an easy one. We need to be getting these correct. That's okay if you got kicked out. You're joined in now. If you are struggling, use your multiplication chart. That's what it's for. Math RTI is practice. So it's okay to have your multiplication chart out. That's why it is practice time. Julian, we are past that problem and on to a new one, bud. Let's focus. 746 divided by 6. I still see a few people working, so I'm going to wait another minute. You don't have to show me your boards yet. Not everyone's done. Isabella, I don't have to see your board yet. That way you're giving away the answer like that. Just wait it out. All right. We're going to do it together. Can 6 go into 7? Yes, it can. It can go in one time. Can 7 minus 6 equals 1? Bring down my 4. How many times can 6 go into 14? 2 times. So you put the 2 up there. 2 times 6 is 12. 14 minus 12 equals 2. Bring down my 6. How many times can 6 go into 26? It can go in 4 times, which is 24. 26 minus 24 equals 2. Your answer should be 124, remainder 2. This should be your answer. Let me see your boards. All right, I'm seeing correct answers. All right, we're going to switch it up and do some multiplication, order of operations real quick, because sometimes you just need that in your life. Got to switch it up. Okay. 6 to the second power times 4 in parentheses, then divided by 2. Think about order of operations. In this case, in order to do the parentheses, you have to do your exponent. So 6 times 6 is 36 times 4. 36 times 4 is 4, 2, 12. Which is 144. 144 divided by 2 is 72. Your answer should have been 72. Woohoo! If you didn't get it correct, no big deal. Just figure out why. Your answer should have been 72. 6 to the second power is 36 times 4. 36 times 4 is 144. 144 divided by 2 is 72. Erase! I'm glad I saw some right answers. Oh, did you finish your math test? Okay. You do not need to hop on Math RTI. You don't have enough time. Ava, what number are you on, ma'am? Okay. right, this one should be a little bit simple. 8 times 4 is 40 plus 9 times 6, which is 36. Your answer should be 76. That one should be nice and simple for your brain after our hard ones. We're going to do one more division problem, and then we will be out of time. One more problem. One more problem. Division, last problem for Math RTI today. How many times can 3 go into 8? Can go in, Julian, once again, we are on the next problem, bud. 2 can go in 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down my 9. 3 can go into 29. How many times? 8 is 24. 9. 9 times, which is 27. Bring the 2 down. 3 can go into 22 7 times, which is 21. Remainder 1. So your answer should be 297. Remainder 1. Yeah, I see right answers. Woohoo! All right, as you finish up this problem, you may erase or then head off. The recording will be posted. I saw lots and lots of right answers today. That makes me happy that lots of you are getting division figured out. Good job. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, goodbye.